Hello and welcome to Daniel's Den on Spike TV, sponsored by Cheetos. If you don't know the rules of Daniel's Den, I'd like to explain them to you. We have 10 contestants, and each contestant is asked a question. If they get the question right, they move to the back of the line, and the next contestant comes up. But if they get the question wrong, we feed them And now let's meet our contestants.
Connor Hansen, quarterback.
Hollis Rogers. I just recently got engaged.
Buck, I was featured on Swamp People.
West Virginia Mountain Man. I'm a mascot.
Miley Cyrus, rock star, the best of both worlds.
Brady O'Houlihan.
Bandana Man. Aloha.
Farmer Dan, I got lots of corn.
Ned Bernstein. Head of the Science Club.
Wow, those are some quality individuals. Too bad 90% of them are getting eaten today. Anyways, let's get started with the game show. First up, Connor Hansen. Come up here. Connor Hansen, are you ready for the first question?
I'm ready.
What is the variable for correlation?
R squared.
Close, but no cigar. The correct answer is R. So sorry, bud. Thanks for coming on the show, and there you go. Off to the Lions for you. Too bad we lost that contestant. But our next contestant is Hollis Rogers. Come on up, son. Hollis Rogers, are you ready for your question?
Ready as I'll ever be.
All right. What is the definition of extrapolation?
Extrapolation? I don't think Coach Kemp ever taught us this one.
Coach Kemp definitely taught you that one. The correct definition for extrapolation is the use of a regression line to predict points outside of the domain values.
You kidding me?
Oh, tough luck, kids. So glad you can make it out of the show. There you go. Our Lions are hungry. Another one down, 8 left. Now it's time for our next contestant, Buck from Swamp People. Come on up, Buck. All right, Buck. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay. Identify the lurking variable in this situation. Joe works out 10 times a week and also takes steroids. Joe thinks that he has gotten bigger solely from working out. What is the lurking variable?
I think the lurking variable is that you're born this size and you can't change that no matter what. And there's no such thing as getting bigger because you can't add mass.
I'm sorry, Buck, but the lurking variable was that he is taking steroids.
Oh man, did you say there's gators in here?
I don't think Buck really got the point of the show. But up next is Mountain Man. Come on up, friend. Mountain Man, are you ready?
I'm ready.
What type of correlation does the following graph show?
It's gotta be a -1.
That's wrong. The graph shows a positive correlation. I'm sorry, Mountain Man. It was nice to know you.
Mountain Man.
And up next, Miley Cyrus. Come on up, babe. Miley, are you ready for your question?
Always.
Label the following types of association. In order, what are your answers?
Common response, confounding, and then causation.
It is causation, common response, confounding. I'm so sorry, Miley. Thank you for coming on the show. Here you go. Billy Ray won't be so happy about this one. Too bad we had to lose such a great celebrity on our show. Anyways, up next, Brady O'Houlihan, the bagpiper. Brady O'Houlihan, are you ready for your question?
I'm ready.
Define R squared.
Hey, I don't know this one, but
I'm so sorry, Brady, but that's wrong.
Alright. Well, at least I'm gonna be a good sport about it. Oi! Oh, not in my bridges! Oi!
The definition of r squared is the percent variation in y accounted for by the least squares regression line of y on x. Up next. Come on up, pal. All right. Are you ready? Okay. There is a positive correlation between the number of policemen at a crime scene and the severity of the crime. Does this mean that policemen make crimes worse? I'm sorry, but that is incorrect. There would be more policemen at a crime scene because of how severe the crime is. The crime scene doesn't become more severe because of the amount of policemen at it. We really just couldn't understand what you were saying, so here you go. I hope you had fun while you were on Earth. Man, I hate when aliens come on my show. Anyways, up next is Bandana Man. Come on up, Bandana Man. Bandana Man, I mean. Are you ready for your question?
Are you ready?
I'm the one asking it. So yes. Which of the following points has the highest residual value?
I think it's this one.
I'm sorry, Bandana Man. You are incorrect. The correct answer is this one, because it is farthest away from the regression line. Thank you so much for coming out, Bandana Man. But there you go.
Well,
Have a good day.
guess it's my time to go.
And we only have 2 contestants left. Up next, Farmer Dan. Come on. True or false? The correlation R and the least squares regression line are not resistant.
I'm gonna go with false. You guys hungry for some corn?
And now we're down to our last contestant. Can he get it right and win the prize? Come on up, Ned Bernstein. Ned, are you ready for the last question? About to win the prize if you get it right or you get fed to the lions.
Yeah, I'm ready.
All right, here you go. If R equals 0.5, what does R squared equal?
Well, obviously, r squared would be 0.25.
And we have a winner!
Well, duh. I'm king of the science club.
Your new prize is a free lion.